Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with another video on Dogelon Mars. I wanted to make a quick update because we had a nice Bitcoin pump, but Dogelon Mars is down 7.55%. I actually don't know what's going on, but don't worry because there's a lot of good news coming out for Dogelon Mars. So just stick with it, and one day reap the rewards of this going back up to the $1 billion market cap where I think it should be at, especially with 1.3 million watchers and rank 261. Yeah, this coin is doing better than OXT, and OXT has a use case basis. I mean, a lot of coins have use case basis, so this is a really good sign for Dogelon Mars. The fact that its market cap and its position can be higher than a lot of coins that actually do have utility. So think about that. If Dogelon Mars, and when Dogelon Mars does have utility, and the devs bring out something, then that's going to make it even more valuable, in my opinion, because it not only has use case basis, but it's more than just a meme coin. Anyway, so I just put out an OX video, but I'm looking at Dogelon Mars because I bought some back here and then I sold some, so I broke even. I wasn't feeling it, and I'm glad I did because look, like it literally, I think I bought it like here and then I like sold it here. I didn't make any money on it, but I'm glad I did because look, like I don't know if I mentioned it, but I put in a couple thousand in here and then I took it out because I don't know, like I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how people feel about this, but so like if you look at the holders, you could see that the majority of coins, 31% is Olympus. There's a lot of Olympus wallets, and to me, I'm just like, dang man, that's like, and as any investor, like as anybody who's putting money in the market, just know that like one person controls 50% of the supply. It is kind of scary because again, that one person essentially controls the market. But I mean, if you think about it, any whale can control any cryptocurrency that you invest in. So it's not just Dogelon Mars. I actually recently found the Dogelon Mars Instagram. Check it out. They're putting a lot of content. They constantly put out content, which makes me feel better about the project because I really like the fact that there's a community engagement there. But anyway, so it looks like we're breaking down. I don't know why, but it sucks for people. I'm sorry for people that bought the top and are losing money. But for everybody else that maybe hasn't bought yet, or maybe are dollar cost averaging down, this would be the best time, kind of like my OXC video where it's like, guys, like we're literally sitting at the all-time lows from November of 2021. So theoretically, if it's like gonna do something like this, that's usually what happens, followed by like higher highs. So if you think about what happened with Dogecoin, this is literally the graph. So Dogecoin was like, okay, bam, 1 cent, and then it went down to, divided by 10, and then it just did sideways, 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 followed by reaching the 1 cent and breaking past it. And I don't know, man, Dogecoin freaking exploded. But I'm not saying that's going to happen with Dogelon Mars. It might, who knows, whatever. But just keep in mind that it does look like we're floored. It does look like the volume's dead, and I mean, how much lower can we go from here? Theoretically, it could drop all the way down back to, I just don't think that's possible, but like if it actually hits 601, that means that you could buy 100 billion tokens with $10,000. That's absolutely insane. That would be, I guarantee you I don't think it's ever going to go that low. Anyway, let me do some quick TA, just to update everybody on, yeah, I mean, this is like literally at the all-time lows, on some targets that we need to look out for. Yeah, that's not good. So it looks like we broke through. Yeah, we're going back down. So we need to hold 1466, which was the all-time low, quote-unquote all-time low from November of this year. If we don't hold that, it does look like we have some resistance. Well, actually, we have resistance all the way down. So yeah, the next step would be between 13 and 14. After that, we're going back down to 1, which we do have support here. So let's see. So let's see in terms of like percentages, how much lower it can go. So we're looking at, ooh, that's steep, 20% drop. And if we're extremely unlucky, I mean, I would definitely buy some, but 44%, damn, that's so steep. But I'm thinking that, this is, again, worst case scenario. So I always like, I'm coming from a coin that, I'm coming from OXT. So if anybody's like familiar with OXT, it's been going down for the last 4 years of my life. So I'm always expecting worst case scenarios. And one day maybe I'll wake up and it'll actually be going up. And then I don't want to get too excited for that, because all I'm thinking is remembering that I went through 4 years of downward like momentum to not sell for an easy $100, $200 profit, whatever. But anyway, so we're looking at 20-40% drop, and if that happens, hopefully we get some sort of bounce, right? Get a nice little cup, nice little smiley face. No, but with all seriousness, I mean, those are the two areas to watch out for. Again, I don't know why it's dropping, because everything just went up by a lot, and I don't understand, unless people are selling, unless the devs are selling, which I'm not saying they are. Maybe some person bought a whole bunch and they're like, all right, I want out, because 50%, and now it's sitting at 13% from the low. So yeah, like I think it's gonna keep going down. Oops, bad arrow. Right. Hold on, let me see. No. Yeah, I mean, all areas kind of like lead to this area needing to hold. And on the on the upside, some millionaire could just buy a trillion coins and it could just like skyrocket the price. Kind of like what happened with Samo. Samo went from 203 to all of a sudden it jumped to like two cents, which was crazy. I don't have Samo, but I saw it because it was up like 1,000%, whatever. So anyway, those are the two targets I'm looking at. Like if it drops this much, I'm definitely gonna put some money in. I don't have any of this coin, but if it actually drops down at like between 13 and 14, I'm gonna put in money. If it drops down to like 601, either the world is ending or I'm gonna figure out how I can get more money to throw into Dogelon Mars, because that would be absolutely insane. That would be absolutely insane. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. There's no new news, no new catalysts other than the Rufus chain that they are working on, which is progress. But other than that, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.